I'm hot. I've been drinking a little red, and I'm a little turned right now. Ooh, it's hot. Alright, let's just start this tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do a quick weave, especially focusing on how to protect your hair when doing a quick weave. This hair is from UNice. I'm going to leave all the information in the description box below. I used close to 3 bundles to achieve this look. And yeah, let's just get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take out this protective style that I did. Now, this is knee length twits, because this is probably the longest style. No, actually, it is the longest style I ever did. Right now, they're pretty old, but if you want to see how it looked when I first did them, then click the link on the right hand corner. Okay, so this is the braiding pattern that I'm gonna be using for the quick weave. I'm gonna be leaving the middle out and my edges out as well. I'm leaving this middle part out and the edges. Just really pay attention to the outline of the braids because that is where I'm gonna be sewing the dome cap onto. So just pay attention to that. This is how the back looks. I braided all the ends of the cornrows into one another. Okay, so this is how I'm going to be protecting my hair. I'm going to take wrapping paper. You can find this at any beauty supply store. And I'm going to just start wrapping my hair. I'm covering my entire head with this. Certain areas I'm going to double wrap, like my edges, because after it took all that trial and error to grow back my edges, I am not trying to mess them up again. Ciao. I actually posted a before and after of my edges. Don't freak out. It took so much in me to do it, so definitely check it out on my newest Instagram page, CN by Sedora. This shit's tight. It's not the last one. Damn, I got a big head. Oh, God. Okay, so the next step is to put on your dome cap. You can use a stocking cap if you want to, but I like to use a dome cap. It's thicker and it will protect your hair more. So I use it for protection purposes. Okay, so remember earlier when I told you to pay attention to the braiding pattern? I'm actually gonna be sewing the dome cap onto that pattern. You see how I sewed it? Because that is where I'm gonna be cutting the dome cap off. So I would have showed you guys how I did it, on camera, but the amount of times I would have been stabbing myself with that needle. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Okay, now for the fun part. I can breathe again. So this is the part where we cut off everything. Well, everything that is not sewed onto the braid. So I'm gonna be cutting off the dome cap, I'm gonna be cutting off the wrapping paper, everything. Voila! And this is how I protect my braids under quick weaves. The wrapping paper is protecting it, the thickness of the dome cap is protecting it, so the glue won't be able to penetrate through and damage your hair. Now it's time for application. So again, I was sent 3 bundles from UNice, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna measure each bundle onto my head and cut them accordingly. I used close to 3 bundles in total to do this entire style. This right here is about 2.5 bundles in. I glued each track very close to each other just to give it some thickness. So this is exactly how I did it. First, you want to apply, the black glue. I forgot the name of it. You want to apply that onto the track. You don't want to apply a lot, but you don't want to apply too little either. I'm going to blow dry it just a little bit so it can get a little bit tacky, because if you don't, it's just going to slip and slide all over the dome. Just apply it onto the dome cap and blow dry the rest completely dry so it can stick. So I'm gonna slow down this part so you can see where I'm applying it to. I am not about to do this part on camera so I can get glue all over my head. I need a mirror. And the reason why I'm doing that is for camouflaging purposes. So I want to get the tracks as close as possible to my real hair. So I glued the track right on the part. Okay, I think I've been talking enough. This is the styling part. Enjoy, have fun. I'll come back a little later. I need a break. I seriously was not joking about needing a break, so I'm gonna hit up a few bars that some of my friends work at, and that's a beat this space can say. Yes, bitch, yes. So this is the final look, and this is how the hair looks when it's super defined. The next day I'm also gonna do a very teased look, less defined look, and I just want you guys to pick one. Let me know which one you like, either the teased look or the more defined look. Okay, so it's about that time. Got my dress on. It's just a blessing when you have friends as bartenders. You could just link them at their job, get some free drinks. It's just a really chill night. But it never ends up like that because I ended up going out even after that. So, you know, my morning was super, super brutal. But as promised, I'm gonna show you how the hair looks when it's teased. I'm gonna do the same thing as I did before, spray a little water and some gel, and then just tease it with my hands. And this is the final look when the hair is teased. Let me know which one you like. Do you like the more defined look or the teased look? All the information for this hair in the description box below. And let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. And what else? Oh yeah, turn on notifications so you can be down with the notification squad. Don't forget to check out this style as well. This is the knee-length crochet braids. Yes, I know it's obnoxious, but it was so fun to rock, and I at least had to try it once. If you want to see this hair, check out this video right here, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.